Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use 15 watts wireless charging correctly. So first, there's no setting in the settings that will enable the wireless charging. It's just here, and what you guys need is a QI pad, for example, and you can align your phone with it. So I'll show you how to do it. So let's move the phone out of the way. We're gonna place our wireless charger here. So we got it. Now we're gonna place it, and here we have the coils alignment. We need to put our phone so that the cameras are like not in the range of the charger, so like up here. And as you guys can see, now we just have to slide down a little, and once you slide down, it should start charging. If it's not charging, then you can try, let me quickly try and remove the back. And now, as you guys can see, it was the issue, and now the phone is simply charging. So it works just fine, and we see the icon, it's charging, and that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.